Hi, I am Rajat Bajaj. I am an entrepreneur, a manufacturer having factories in Delhi NCR. We are into automotive lighting and other automotive parts, manufacturing and trading. So we have been into the business since last 20 years, and we have been facing problems which all the manufacturers and traders generally face with respect to the material management, with respect to the order execution, with respect to the performance analysis of the team. We had implemented a lot of things to manage all these problems, but we were not getting any success. So we came across the MBA program. I know Keval since many years. I attended his one-day program first, and I immediately jumped into the MBA program, and I came to know what it's all about. And it has really helped us implement all these solutions in real time. We have been able to implement forms, sheets. We have been able to track all the things real time. It just gets filled in the sheet, and I have the tracker, and I have things on my dashboard. So it is helping us in a good manner to enhance the sales also. It is giving me times to do work on growth oriented tasks rather than the transactional activity which every entrepreneur is busy in. And the MBA program has great content, very relevant to the industry on the current scenario. High-tech content which is made very easy by Keval as a trainer. So